Good afternoon, ladies and gents. It's Eli from Kingsbridge 4x4 and Performance in Leeds. I've got for you today a very nice one owner 2018 top of the range Volvo XC60 R-Design Pro D5. So this is the higher power 240 horsepower version, not the lower power 170 or 180. And the R-Design Pro is the absolute top of the range. It's the most sporty one with the big alloy wheels, which look great. They've got the Pirelli P0 tyres on, 21 inch. They are satin black with a satin silver face finish. Really nice car. Guy bought it brand new from Volvo, ordered to his own specifications. It's not an ex-demo or pre-registered. Cost about £55,000 new with all the options on. It's got a fantastic spec. It's in the best colour combination, black on black. It really is the one to have. This is just worlds away from the previous XC60. It's so grown up, so much more advanced, and looks so much better. The car is absolutely immaculate. There's not a mark on it anywhere. Pretty much as new, really. Got that lovely satin silver wing mirror finish and satin silver, very nice to touch by the way, satin silver window surround as well, and the same on the roof rails. Car wants absolutely for nothing. It's got 4 matching Pirelli tyres with excellent tread. It's got a 5-year service pack as well, so your services are included free of charge for the next 5 years. It's had one, next one's due this June, and that will be included. You just take it to any Volvo dealer. So it literally shouldn't cost you a penny, this car. Very efficient as well. With that diesel engine giving you the sort of economy you'd want. Like I say, one owner. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. The R-Design Pro just looks mega. So I'll take you around. Like I say, the bodywork's immaculate. I don't need to sort of look at anything particular. There's absolutely nothing to show you other than that lovely deep black Onyx metallic paint, which was a £700 option plus VAT. So you've got the electric tailgate. You've got 2 buttons there, one to close and lock and one just to close. Everything's there as it should be. So the load space cover. We'll just pull that back there we go. You've got the through load ski drop hatch there, and then underneath here you've got extra storage space and the tyre inflation kit. You've got the buttons here, so you can press that to lower the air suspension at the back or raise it for loading. So that's really clever, and air suspension is the type of suspension you want these days on a 4x4, because it just gives that ride comfort that you want and expect. You got this lovely black leather with white stitching all over. A high-end premium Volvo sound system with speakers pretty much everywhere. Got the same contrast stitching and piping on the floor mats as well. Got rear cup holders there, storage space, and that's the hatch and the armrest. Your seat buttons are there to drop and raise the seating. So it's that leather and Alcantara finish. Full length panoramic glass sunroof, which was part of one of the options that it's got, as well as 360 cams. Great option to have. And it's got all the intelligent safety assist systems, including adaptive cruise control, that was an option as well, which doesn't come as standard. Pretty much makes the car drive itself, it brakes itself. Collision avoidance systems, very clever. It's also got the power passenger seat as well, which was another option. So you've got the 8-way adjust there, and then your adjustments there and there. R-Design sill plates. Got this lovely textured aluminium finish, gloss black around the air vents with that air control knob, and it's got that sort of knurled finish there, which is very nice, and the white stitching again on the dash. They've really gone to town on Volvo now. It's so upmarket. We'll take you around the Thor Hammer signature headlights there, all LED. Stunning car. So obviously you've got your wing mirror control here, power folding as well, your memory buttons for your driver's seat, and again your electric adjustment for the driver's seat. And again, look at that lovely white piping and stitching to the leather. The ultra thin seat backs, extraordinarily comfortable, as Volvo seats are famous for. Tailgate release there, wiper control, etc. You've got a lovely thick rimmed R-design steering wheel. The controls, a lot of it's very similar to Range Rover. You've got the full digital dash here, which you can play with if you wished, and obviously if you did that you could adjust various things. You've also got a speed limit display as well. And then obviously your main touchscreen sort of iPad style interface there. You've got this lovely engine start stop with a knurled finish, and again on the driving mode selector, and then your full length cup holders there and storage there. The USB storage in that main compartment there. Got a lovely frameless rear view mirror there. Paddle controls for the steering wheel. Automatic headlights with automatic high beam assist. And yeah, as part of the options, it's got the Intellisafe Pro Pack, so that gives you a raft of safety features. One being, and the most important, adaptive cruise control, so the car can pretty much drive itself in traffic, which is fantastic. The collision avoidance systems and blind spot assist in the wing mirrors. There's also, I don't know if you can see the blind spot assist, possibly, just sort of there in the corner of the wing mirror. And there's just everything you could potentially want. So let's just have a quick play here. So yeah, if you see there, you've got cornering lights, active bending lights, camera system. If we have a look at that, so you've got your 360 cams, top view. You've got auto park assist as well, so the car will park itself or come out of a parking space by itself. All very clever stuff. You can have the lines on there if you want, etc. So very clever. If we come out of here, I'm just learning. I've only just got the car, so I'm just learning what everything does, so you have to bear with me. Blind spot assist there, lane keeping aid, so the car will automatically steer itself and keep itself in lane. So if you start falling asleep on the motorway, which some people do, I've seen it happen many a time, that's perfect. Not that I'm advocating that you should take it easy on the motorway. Road sign information, so that's obviously all your traffic sign recognition and tells you what it is. Cross traffic alert. Obviously you've got the power adjustments for the passenger seat, you can adjust from your driver's seat. Speed sign assist, you've got your head-up display, which is there. Let's just zoom in. That displays your speed limit, your speed, and various other information. You can adjust that there. Collision avoidance assistance. I mean, literally everything. I've listed everything on the spec there, but it is a fantastic car. Of course, you've got heated seats, climate control, and anything else you could potentially imagine is on this car. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you're looking for a great all-round, top-of-the-range Volvo in a mid-size SUV package, this is the one to have. I highly recommend it. It's a fantastic car. This one's got absolutely everything. Don't buy one without a panoramic roof, so you'll always struggle to sell it on in the future, so get one of these. We offer nationwide delivery, finance, part exchange, so just give us a call with any information you require, and I hope to assist you on it. Thanks for watching.